Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you low-maintenance backyard landscaping ideas without grass. Before that, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Maintaining your backyard nice and neat can sometimes be challenging to constantly mow and maintain. Luckily, there are many other options for landscaping, without including grass or other high-maintenance plants. These beautiful, clever and sustainable options can make your backyard a true oasis of relaxation, and you won't even notice that the grass isn't there. Following these landscaping ideas can bring you a unique and amazing-looking backyard that you won't have to spend a ton of time maintaining. Okay, here are low-maintenance backyard landscaping ideas without grass. Number 1. Create a tranquil pond. Are you searching for peaceful backyard landscaping ideas, no grass required? Adding a water feature such as a pond is a wonderful way to bring a bit of nature into your backyard. Number 2. Grow trees and shrubs. A set of vertical plants that don't spread but only grow tall can also be an excellent idea. You can choose from a wide array of species as well, some of them super tall and others small. It all comes down to your space capacity and needs. And if you want something more discreet, then a set of shrubs can always get the job done. Number 3. Artificial turf. Fake lawns aren't a new idea, but the concept is regaining popularity, or at least consideration, with areas of the sun-scorched, water-deprived South and Southwest. Sports fields, for example the raised Tropicana field, are composed of synthetic grass. Golf course or putting greens have used artificial turf, as have playgrounds and hotels. Synthetic lawns can be created for a dog run, or as small clusters of green throughout the lawn area. The product is created so as to be non-toxic and forever green, difficult to differentiate from the real thing, though obviously drought-friendly. Number 4. Patio players. Perfect for entertainers or those that love to spend time eating and relaxing outdoors, a patio is a way to go. This is a great compromise, as you can have a patio take up a limited space in the backyard, surrounding it with other features like faux grass, planters, or a garden. It's the perfect, functional solution. Number 5. Pave with stone. Transform a weedy lawn into a gorgeous patio by setting irregular paving stones into the ground like puzzle pieces. Tough, creeping plants like Corsican mint and thamay can fill the spaces between the stones, because they can handle light foot traffic and compete with any weeds that try to grow in the gaps. They'll also add a light fragrance to your outdoor space. Number 6. Decking. Build a deck that covers your backyard. It doesn't have to be high off the ground. Elevate it just enough to build a solid and level platform. Place potted plants around the deck to create privacy and define the space. Then add your outdoor furniture to complete the look. Number 7. Set in succulents. If watering falls low on your to-do list, succulents like echeveria and agave are your garden go-tos. Tough, colorful, and captivating, they also play well with others, so mixing them up adds more excitement to your landscape. Drainage is key, however. Put these shallow-rooting, sun-loving plants in raised beds with porous, well-aerated soil. Number 8. Go for gravel. Use it for paths instead of paving for a patio, or to cover great sweeps of ground as seen here. Adding edging to the borders will stop stones from going astray. Add drought-tolerant plants and shrubs directly into it for extra visual interest and color, and perhaps add a larger rock here, and there for a naturalistic feel. Number 9. Pool surround. Concrete and gravel are also a great choice of materials to use as a pool surround, like this one by Synthesis Builders. They used large concrete pavers to help create a visual distinction between the pool and seating area. The gravel provides a beautiful texture to the backyard. Number 10. Fire pit. You need to do something with your backyard after you remove all of the grass. Adding a fire pit to your outdoor space gives it a use. You'll have a gathering place where friends and family can relax in a chair and enjoy the warmth. That's it. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like this video, click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have any notifications turned on, so you never miss those upcoming videos. And see you next time.